Do you want to check word count? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. See word count in Microsoft Word from status bar. In Microsoft Word, the word count is typically displayed in the status bar at the bottom left of your screen. Select a text. Then you will be able to see the word count for that selection. If no text is selected, it displays the total word count for the entire document. Method 2. See word count in Microsoft Word from ribbon. You can also check the word count using the ribbon. Click the Review tab. In the proofing group, click Word Count. The word count dialog box will appear. Method 3. See word count in Microsoft Word from keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus G to display the word count dialog box. Once you have checked the word count, you can close it. Method 4. See word count with online word counter. You can use online tools like Word Counter. It not only counts words and characters but also helps improve your writing style and grammar. Simply place your cursor in the text box and start typing. The word count will update as you type, delete, and edit. Additionally, it provides keyword density and other useful information. And there you have it, the methods to check word count on Microsoft Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.